Welcome to my channel Anita Krishna. Today we are discussing about the basic guidelines for value education. What are the basic guidelines we follow for the value education? In previous class we are discussing about the what are the main objectives of value education, meaning of value education, definitions of value education and understanding the need of value education, and also what are the methods we are followed by the value education and nature of value education. But today we are discussing about the very important topic, that is basic guidelines for value education. What are the minimum basic guidelines we followed by the value education class? We teach what guidelines we teach for the each and every student to developing their life, their happiness. That's why we must and should follow the basic guidelines to for value education. What are there? The first one is universal outlook. Universal outlook means not only in the nation, they are looking at the universal, that is universal outlook. The value education should not be restricted certain sect, creed, nationality and also gender. It should be applicable entire mankind. That is the main basic guidelines. Why? Because there is not limitations. There is no certain gender, creed or nationality, not like that. It should be applicable entire mankind at all time and all the places. That is the main universal outlook. That is the followed by the basic guidelines of value education. Why? Because we are developing, our goals are to reach and we are happy, not like that. Our society is happy for you reach the goal. That is the main thing to each and every person to look into the universal outlook. That is the basic guidelines of value education. The second one is rationalism. That is very best guideline of the value education. The value should not be based on blind beliefs and also dogmas. We are following by the parents are telling to these beliefs, or we are following for our family, and also and book, the written books also we are reading for some books, and we were watching some statements and also watching on the seeing on the televisions. That is the blind beliefs you are not followed. That is the rationalism. The values should not be based on blind beliefs and dogmas. It should be based on some reason that can promote happiness. That is the main thing we followed by the guidelines of value education. Why? Because we promote our happiness in the society and nature. That is the basic guideline of value education. You yourself self-satisfaction, not like that. It should be your blind beliefs and blind dogmas to remove in your life. It should be based on some reason that promote the happiness. That is the second one to followed by the rationalism in the guidelines of value education. The third one is natural and verifiable. Each and every values are naturally, that is what is the natural means of values, that is acceptable and natural manner to all people. That is the main thing. The natural means values are acceptable to for natural manner to all the people. Not only individual happiness, it also our happiness. మనం ఒక్కరమే సంతోషంగా కాకుండా సొసైటీలో ఉండేటటువంటి వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా సంతోషంగా చూసేటటువంటిదే. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ బేసిక్ గైడ్లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. You are not happy, you are happy, but also other side, the society is happy. That is the guidelines of the main guidelines of our value education. That is the, and also to verifiable. Why? Because the verifiable, these also find out whether they are true or not for us. That is also, you think about that. Why? Because we are studying some values, some moral values, some spiritual values, and also ethics. Like that, we all know about everything. But to verify these, find out whether you are in true, and also to not for us, only not for us. That is overall. These values are universal values, global values. We are next in classification of values, we are discussing about each and every values: personal values, ethical values, what are the social values, what are the spiritual values, what are the religious values. Like that, we are discussing later, upcoming videos. But present, we are only main focus on the naturality of values and verifiable values. We are follow some basic guidelines. That is the, we understood need for value education. That is the main goal of our value education. Why we are introducing the in schools also value education class? Why? The parents also teach the some values in home, in childhood also. But that is to going up some programs, in universal programs also, to developing the A's to A's. Next we will discuss on the process of the value education. Some programs are there. Next upcoming video we will discuss about the what A's, what values we are teaching to these A's people, and next A's people what values we are teaching. Like that, in process of value education we will discuss on later. That is the main thing. Natural means values acceptable to natural manner and to all the people. That is the main thing. And fourth one, all compassion. And compassion means, that is the scope of value education, not limited, not restricted. It is also embracing. It covers all dimensions of all living. What are the thoughts? What are the behavior? What are the realizations? And also all levels. That is the in school level, individual level, and family, and the society and nature. The all levels and all dimensions you can look into the, and compassion. That is the main thing. The scope of value education is not restricted, not limited. It is embracing. It covers all dimensions. Your thoughts, your behavior, your realizations, and all levels: individual, family level, and also society and nature. This is the all, and compassion is also to be followed by the basic guidelines, and at the finally leading to harmony. Finally, value education leads to harmony within and with other human and nature. That is the main thing, basic. That is the basic thing, samarasyam, హార్మనీ మీన్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు సామరస్యం. అంటే మన సంతోషంతో పాటు మొత్తం అందరి సంతోషాన్ని సామరస్యంగా తమ భేదాలు లేకుండా చూసేదే. దట్ ఈస్ ద లీడింగ్ టు హార్మనీ ఈజ్ ఫైనల్లీ వాల్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ టు లీడ్స్ ద హార్మనీ వితిన్ అండ్ విత్ other human and nature. That is the main basic guidelines we followed by the value education. Okay, this is, you can understood for the basic guidelines for value education. These guidelines we followed for the value education. What are they? Universal outlook and rationalism, natural and verifiable, and also all encompassing and leading to harmony. These are the basic guidelines of value education. Next, some small topic, that is the what are the outcomes of value education? What are the principal outcomes of value education? Why we understanding the value education? After that, we will followed by the guidelines of the value education. What outcomes we need for the value education? That is also very important. That is the full development of child's personality. That is also outcome of the value education. Why? Because the full development of child's personality in its physical, mental and emotional and spiritual aspects. That is the main thing. Not only development of the personality, that is the emotional thoughts and also mental thoughts, behavior. What are the spiritual values we are developing in outcomes of the need for value education? That is the main, these aspects to fully development of child personality. That is the main outcome. And also inculcation of good manner. What are good things, what we are doing for the each and everything, what are the good manner is to our responsibilities of cooperative citizen. In the society we are living to the constitutional values are there. We have to good citizen in the society, in our nation. That is the responsibilities. These are the we learn in the value education classes. Why? Because we learn in subject and curricular subjects and education. In that there are also some values are there, but in value education class we learn good manners of the in the good citizen, in the responsible citizen and cooperative citizen. That is also outcome of value education. The next one is developing respect for individual and society. That is also very, the first class we will discuss on the respect to each other people. Why? Because give respect and take respect. In Yajurveda also, in Vedas also, these are, you give it to me, I will give you. That is the, in Yajurveda, to some important values. What are these? You give it to you, I will give you. Give respect and take respect. Present we are continuous like that. Give respect and take respect. That is the main thing. The developing of respect for individual and also society. That is the main thing. And inculcating the spirit of patriotism and national integration. That is also very good for that. Why? Because we are studying for our national history, our national heritage, our culture. In that time we know about our nationalism. In that time we also knowing about the why, because in value education class the teacher teaches telling about the moral stories and great personality biographies. In that time we learn about our Indian history, any country history. That is also in, I will example for the Indian history. Like that, any nation history we learn about that. In that time you inculcate your patriotism, desabhakti పెరుగుతుంది. Plus national integration, that is also we developing our, inculcating our learn to value education. And after that, developing democratic way of thinking and living, that is also we learn to each and everything, the social values, what we are doing, do's and don'ts. In that time we are following the democratic way of thinking and living in the society, that is also the outcome of the value education. And to developing the tolerance towards and understanding the different religious faith, that is also why, because in India, that is the unity and diversity. Why? Because we are followed by the different religious, different languages, different races in the Indian society. In that time, our Indian values, not only our Indian values, but that is the universal global values, we learn in that time to tolerance towards the understanding of different religious faiths, that is also you can follow and developing and inculcate in your life, that is also outcome of the value education. And the developing essence of human brotherhood at social, national and international levels, that is also అంటే సోదరి తత్వంతో మన దేశంలో మన సమాజంలో, మన దేశంలో ప్లస్ ఇతర దేశాలతో కూడా సోదర భావంతో, దట్ ఈస్ ద సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్, brotherhood of our society and also our nation and international level. These are the developing the to understanding of value education. These are the outcomes of value education, the principal outcomes, that is main outcomes of value education. Okay, thank you girls. You like this video, give like and comment box. Any doubts, please ask me. Next upcoming video, that is the process of value education. Thank you one and all.